kitchen and flag. Everything good, me say nothing do bad. Wave she a wave the Jamaican flag. You better subscribe to the vibe that she have. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon. Rose, kitchen and vlog. Tell you.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple and easy recipe, and it's tin mackerel. You could have your tin mackerel with your boiled food, white rice, fried dumpling, festival dumpling for your breakfast, lunch or dinner. Okay, so let's get started. So I have my oil here on the stove hot, and I add in some garlic. Okay, make sure you rinse off your garlic and all the vegetables. I add in my onion, white onion and red onion, and you just let it saute. Okay, then I add in my bell peppers, and I also add in tomato. Okay, let it saute for a few minutes. Now I add in my tin mackerel, and guys, as I said, you could eat your tin mackerel with your boiled food. I add in my black pepper, some crushed pepper flakes, onion powder, garlic powder, and you just season to your liking. All right, I add in some ketchup, and you just let it simmer for a few minutes. Easy and simple recipe, guys. I also add in some dry parsley. This is a simple and easy recipe, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. So hope you enjoyed this simple and easy recipe. And I serve my tin mackerel with boiled food, yam, boiled dumpling, and white potato. Have a blessed day, guys. One love. God bless. Bye.